Happy Thanksgiving, fam. I wanted to share this smoky eye tutorial, perfect for the holidays. So let's get into it and I'll give you two lip options. Starting with my base, I've been really loving this Bobbi Brown Serum foundation. And then I'm feeling a little fancy today, so going in with my Tom Ford concealer. And this is really lightweight and natural. Setting everything in place with my La Mer translucent powder. And then for my bronzer, you know the drill, it's Dune or nothing. I love this so much. And I contour and bronze with this, so I'm just warming up my skin with this. And then for my blush, I decided to go for a baby pink, so I'm using this Dior blush. And I'm also going to be using the Dior highlighter palette. I don't know if they still have this, but it's really pretty for the high points of the cheeks. I will link everything in the description box, so check that out. And also, Persona's having a site-wide 30% off sale right now. I feel like so many brands are having sales, so it's the perfect time to shop. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Identity 2 palette, Driven, which is this beautiful green color. It's a jewel toned green, so it flatters so many different skin tones. This is going to be my main shade, and I'm applying that sort of all over, as you can see, and smoking it out. And then Empowered, which is more of like a purpley plum, is really going to help enhance brown eyes, so make sure to use some sort of a shade like that. Look how beautiful the colors go together. And then I'm using a black liner to even make this more dramatic, and then mixing the two highlighter shades for the inner corners and the brow bone, because this really helps soften the look. And then for my mascara, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury one. This is very dramatic, so I'm just applying this. And then for my lips, I'm going to give you two options. Starting with Almond, I'm applying this just a little bit above my lip line, and then I'm using this Tom Ford lipstick. Again, I'll have shades and everything in the description box. This is more of a nude and natural look, but then if you want to vamp it up even more, I'm going in with this Chanel Liquid Matte. It's kind of like a stain, very sheer. This is also really pretty. Let me know what your favorite lip option is in the comments below, and thank you guys so much for watching. This is my little outfit for the look, and I will see you in the next one. Have a happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, and I will see you soon. Bye.